Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make Linktree clickable on Instagram. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to the Linktree app. So let's open the app, and then I am in my profile right now. But what I need to do is I need to go to the links. So tap on the left down icon in the screen, and then tap on the right upper corner on this little share icon, and then copy this URL. So you can either tap on my Linktree QR code, share my Linktree to, or add Linktree through your socials, but we need to copy this URL in the bottom of your screen. So tap on this copy icon, and then you can close the Linktree app. And what you need to do right now is open the Instagram app, and then go to your account. So when you're on your homepage, just go to your profile icon in the right bottom of your screen, and then tap on edit profile. Alright, and here you see name, username, pronouns, bio, and links. And do not tap on bio, but do tap on links. So add links. And you can either choose to add an external link or add a Facebook profile. And what you need to do is add an external link, and the link we've just copied, you need to paste right here. So tap on paste and give this link a little title. For example, about me, or click this, something like this. And you can even change the username just to test, for example, David. Let me tap on done if you are satisfied, and then close this and close this. And as you can see right now, your link is added to your profile. So we can tap this and it is clickable. As you can see, it is clickable, and you can even edit this and easily remove it. Just like this, and now the link is removed, as you can see. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, just let them know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.